Prepare to embark on an extraordinary gastronomic voyage to the sun-soaked shores of Hawaii in our video, Taste of the Islands, a Culinary Odyssey through Hawaiian Poke. This is more than just a culinary exploration, it's an immersive experience that will transport you to the heart of the Pacific, where the waves gently kiss the pristine beaches, the breeze carries the scent of the ocean, and the flavors of Hawaii come alive in a dish known as poke. Our journey commences on the picturesque beaches of Honolulu, where the sun's golden rays cast a warm and inviting glow. Here, in this paradise, we invite you to immerse yourself in the spirit of aloha, the essence of Hawaiian hospitality, and a culture deeply intertwined with the land and sea. As we delve into the artistry behind crafting this delectable and iconic dish, you'll come to understand why poke is not just a meal in Hawaii, it's a way of life. Uncovering the culinary magic of Hawaiian poke, you'll have the privilege of witnessing the skilled hands of local chefs at work. Sashimi-grade fish, the freshest catch of the day, is marinated to perfection, melding with a medley of fresh, island-grown ingredients, seaweed, soy sauce, sesame oil, and an array of tropical fruits and vegetables. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that encapsulates the very essence of Hawaiian gastronomy. But poke is more than just a dish, it's a reflection of Hawaii's rich cultural heritage and the profound connection the islands have with the vast Pacific Ocean. Our culinary voyage takes you on a sensory journey, from the bustling fish markets of Honolulu, where the morning catch is brought ashore, to the lush valleys of Maui, where traditional Hawaiian ingredients thrive in the fertile soil. Discover the deep-rooted significance of poke in Hawaiian culture, where it transcends being merely a meal and becomes a heartfelt celebration of the island's natural bounty, a tribute to the Pacific Ocean that embraces it from all sides. It's food that fosters a sense of ohana, or family, where the spirit of sharing and communal joy is embraced, a true embodiment of the Hawaiian way of life. Taste of the Islands is far more than just a video, it's a heartfelt tribute to the culinary traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and the innate warmth of Hawaii's people. Join us on this unforgettable culinary odyssey as we savor every moment, every bite, of this immersive journey through poke. Experience the artistry and love that have made this dish an integral part of Hawaiian culture, an embodiment of the aloha spirit. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and utterly transported to the sun-soaked beaches, lush landscapes, and the soulful essence of Hawaii as we delve into the captivating stories and the mouth-watering, island-infused flavors that await you in Taste of the Islands, a culinary odyssey through Hawaiian poke. It's not just a video, it's an invitation to experience the heart and soul of the Hawaiian Islands. Indulge your senses and let the flavors of Hawaii transport you to a place of pure culinary bliss in this immersive exploration of Hawaiian poke. Discover why this dish is a testament to Hawaii's deep connection to nature and the rich cultural tapestry that makes the islands a unique and cherished destination for food lovers and travelers alike.